G'day, I'm Adam from Opening Australia. I'm an immigration lawyer, and this is part 5 of my series, my 9-part series to help Australian businesses who sponsor employees on a visa. This part is all about the GTE, the Genuine Temporary Entrant Criteria, which I'm going to just call GTE criteria. So the GTE criteria was introduced in March 2018, along with a raft of other changes to the employer-sponsored visa program. Now, the GTE criteria is only relevant to the TSS short-term stream visa, which used to be the 457, which replaced the 457 visa. If I have just lost you then talking about short streams or TSS visas, please go back and look at my video 2. That's if you're interested in this whole employer-sponsored visa discussion. Video 2, I set out the difference between the short-term stream and the medium and long-term stream, and also the 457 visa and the TSS visa. So what does this GTE criteria mean for a visa applicant? What it means for a visa applicant is that they are generally taken not to have met the GTE criteria if they've held more than 2 TSS visas in the last 5 years. Remember that TSS visas granted in this stream, the short stream, the one we're talking about here, will only be granted for a period of up to 2 years. So if they've held more than two of these 2-year visas in the last 5 years, they're going to be generally taken not to have met the GTE criteria, which means that they will not be eligible for a visa. Or if they have been already in Australia for 4 years, regardless of the visa type, unless the decision maker, unless they can prove to the decision maker that their intentions to be in Australia or to stay in Australia are genuinely only temporary intentions. So that's the impact that it has on a visa holder or your employee or your potential employee. The impact that it will have on you as an Australian business is, as I've mentioned, the short-term stream visas, they're going to be granted for a period of 2 years, and you're not going to simply be able to continue to renew these 2-year visas one after the other because of this GTE criteria, unless you have carefully constructed applications and assistance with your applications, and that go to prove and show that the visa applicant, your employee, genuinely and supports the idea that they're in Australia temporarily.